Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress website. First, let's get you logged in. You'll use your username and password to access the dashboard. Once inside, you'll see the main administrative menu on the left. This area is your control center, allowing you to manage all aspects of your site. Familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed for intuitive navigation, helping you quickly find what you need to build and maintain your online presence. Now, let's talk about creating content. WordPress offers two main types, posts and pages. Posts are perfect for blog articles or news, appearing in chronological order. Pages are for static content like an About Us or Contact page. You'll use the intuitive block editor to add text, images, and more. Once your content is ready, simply hit publish to make it live for everyone to see. It's a straightforward process to get your message out there. Customizing your site is where WordPress truly shines. You can completely transform its appearance by choosing from thousands of themes, many of which are free. Beyond aesthetics, plugins allow you to add powerful features, from contact forms to e-commerce capabilities. There are over 60,000 plugins available. Don't forget to adjust your general settings, like your site title and time zone, to ensure everything is perfectly aligned with your vision. It's all about making your site uniquely yours. Finally, let's discuss maintaining your WordPress site. Regular backups are crucial. They protect your hard work in case of any issues. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to the latest versions. This is vital for security and performance, patching any vulnerabilities. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping your site healthy ensures a smooth experience for both you and your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.